Good morning, sixth graders. Looks like I'm going to have to be out for the week until I can get better. So I am going to come to you via video this week. Isn't that very exciting? And I even took a shower for you today. I got out of bed and I took a shower, and so I'm smelling quite nice. And even though I can't smell myself, and I hope that you can't from there, I think I'm going to give you a hand on yesterday's assignment. I heard that it was a little difficult for you. And here's the thing, you guys know how to do this. It's just that I wasn't there to help you. So this should make things a little bit easier. Here is the assignment that we got, right? There was some questions that had you convert some metric units, and then you were going to fill in the answer that you got in these various colors here on this sheet. And it seems like this was the one that was giving you troubles, right? I assume that you weren't having trouble with the coloring in the lines. All right, so we'll go with number 1 here. And if you are not ready and you don't have the sheet in front of you and you don't have a pencil, then you can pause me, okay? I'm not gonna pause. You can pause me and then we'll wait till you get ready, okay? Are you ready? All right, number 1. Jan needs 10 meters of yarn. She has 746 centimeters. How many more centimeters does she need? Well, if she needs 10 meters and she has 746 centimeters, well, we just need to do our conversions, okay? We need to make these the same unit of measurement. So let's go to, let's see if I can do this here. So I figure this out. Kings, nope. Hang on, I'll get there. King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, that's the mnemonic phrase that we've been using, right? King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. Okay, so this is kilometer, this is meter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, well, if she needs 10 meters and she has 746 centimeters, well, we are going to have to convert this. Okay, so how many centimeters, we should say, how many centimeters is 10 meters? Okay, well, if we start at meters, remember, meter is the unit, the standard unit for length. Okay, so we are going to have to move the decimal over 2 spaces to the right. Okay, so if we have a 10 and we're going to move a decimal over 2 spaces, we add 1 0, 2 zeros. So 1,000 meters equals 746 centimeters. So now it's just a matter of doing a little bit of subtraction. All right, so I'm opening up my calculator because I have a little bit of a stuffy head right now and I don't think I can do accurate subtraction. So we got 1,000 minus 746 equals 254. So if she needs 10 meters of yarn and she's got 746 centimeters, she will need 200. We can write this in here. She will need 254 centimeters more of yarn. Okay, let's go to the next one. 130 meters equals how many kilometers? All right, well, remember, meter is the standard unit of length. So we start here and we're going to go over here to kilometers. So we go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. All right, so we can assume that the decimal point is right here by the 0. We go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left, and we get here, and we go here. We are going to get 0.130 kilometers. Make sense? I can't tell if you're saying yes or no. So I'm going to assume you're saying, do one more. Okay, I'll do one more. 47 millimeters equals how many centimeters? Well, this small m over here stands for millimeters. Remember, the U is meters. The U is standard. Millimeters are really, really small, so they're all the way over on the right. 47 millimeters equals how many centimeters? We go from millimeters to centimeters. We've got to go one spot to the left. So we take that decimal that's on the right side of 7, and we go one space to the left. And our answer is going to be 4.7 centimeters. Better? Not quite there yet? Let's do number 4. There, let me make this box shorter. Okay. Mark ran a 5-kilometer race. How many meters did he run? All right, so then you are going to, we've got 5 kilometers, and we need to figure out how many meters that is. So we're going to start here, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. Okay, so there's a point right here. There's a decimal right on this side of 5, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. That is, oops, 5,000 meters. See how I did that? If we're going from kilometers to meters, we go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. It was 5 kilometers, so we added 1, 2, 3 zeros, and we put a decimal right on the other side. Okay, now they're going to throw a curveball at you. Are you ready? This here likely made you freak out a little bit yesterday because we haven't talked about milligrams and grams yet, but you already know how to do this because you can do length. If you can do length, the cool thing about the metric system is that it's all the same. It's just that grams are the unit, the standard unit of measurement. Okay, so milligrams are going to be right here. All right, for length, it's meters. For mass, it's grams. For volume, it's liters. Okay, and all of these prefixes, kilo, centi, milli, those are all the same. Okay, so we're going from milligrams to grams. We are going from here all the way over to here. Milli, centi, deci, grams. 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. So we would take that decimal and we'd go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. You'll have to bear with me here because I'm using some new technology. So it'd be 1.280 grams. How'd that one go? I'm going to skip around here. Let's see. Ooh, this one's a word problem. The more words there are, the more confusing it seems. But it's really not. You just got to pick out the pieces that are relevant to you. Kara needed to tie 25 centimeters of ribbon onto each of the 25 balloons she had for her party. Okay, so if Kara needed to tie 25 centimeters of ribbon onto each of the 25 balloons she had for her party. How many meters of ribbon did she need? Ooh, this is multi-step, folks. So first we have to take 25 centimeters, and she needs that much for each of the 25 balloons. So we have to go 25 times what? 25 times 25 is 625. Okay, so we've got 625 centimeters, and then they're asking us how many meters of ribbon does she need. Okay, so we have it in centimeters. They want to know how many meters. So we're going from centimeters to meters. We go 1, 2 spaces to the left. We would take this decimal and we'd go 1, 2 spaces to the left. And so our answer then would be 6.25 meters. Did that make sense? Yes? Sort of? Let's do a liters one. Okay, remember liters is the standard unit of measurement for volume. We're going from milliliters to liters. So we're going from here to here. We go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left. So our answer here is going to be 6.520 liters. Am I going too fast? You can pause me. That's the beauty of me being on video, is that you can pause me, you can turn my volume down, you can make me speed up, you can make me louder. I wish I had a little volume thing on you guys sometimes. That would be great. Let's see, what else can I do here? Meters, grams, milligrams. Let's do another word problem. Jane wants to buy exactly 0.75 kilograms of candy. She has 675 grams on the scale already. How many more grams does she need to reach 0.75 kilograms? Oofda! They're really trying to screw you up there. Oopsie, I dropped my phone calculator. All right, so what we gotta do is we gotta convert this into kilograms so we can see how close we are, okay? So grams is a standard unit of measurement, and we're going to kilograms. 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left, okay? So for this one, 1, 2, 3 spaces to the left, it would be 0.675 kilograms. And she wants 0.75, right? So we just have to subtract that. Okay. And what we're going to get is my handy dandy calculator. 0.75 minus 0.675 equals, she needs 0.075, no, she needs 0.075 kilograms more. Okay, but that we have to look at the question here. It says how many more grams does she need? Well, this is in kilograms. We have to transfer it back to grams. So we'd have to go 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. 1, 2, 3 spaces to the right. So the answer here would be 75 grams more. I think that's right. I have to double check my work. Okay, so what do we do with all these numbers? Well, it says here, I wonder if I can, oh, it's sideways. Can I flip it? Oh, I can flip it. Isn't that great? Okay, so let's look back up here. Let's see if any of them say 75 grams, just to check, double check my work here. Look around for 75. Ooh, look at, there's 75 right there. Okay, so you're looking for those numbers. Wherever you see a 75, you're gonna color that light blue. Okay, wherever you see 6.52, let's see if there are any like that. 6.52 right here. Wherever you see that number, look, I see it a whole bunch of times. Here's another one. Here's another one. Oh my gosh, here's another one. Here's another one. You're going to color all of those 6.52s yellow. And then you're going to come out with a really, really pretty picture. Doesn't that sound fun? Yeah. Okay, so keep working on this, you guys. It's okay to struggle through it a little bit. It's all right. Here's the thing. If you get an answer that's not on here, you know it's incorrect. And you know what? There are people in class that know how to do this really well, okay? So if you're one of those that's really flying through this and you're already done with the whole assignment, look around. If somebody is sitting there with the clueless look on their face, the clueless look on their face is usually something like that. Okay, just staring off into space. Go help them out. See if you can show them. Don't just give them the answers, but show them how to use this little thing. Okay, and here I'll write down underneath here. The standard unit for length is meter. The standard unit for mass is gram. The standard unit for volume is liter. Okay, and then the only thing that we're really using on this sheet is milli, centi, and kilo. Okay, so you don't even really have to, these are all just kind of space holders right here, these ones here. Okay, so you're just moving back and forth, moving the decimal back and forth. See how that goes. See if this helps. If I made it worse, let me know, and I will make you yet another video. And I will see you guys, I think next Monday I can come back. Okay? I hope you guys are well. Stay out of each other's faces and wash your hands. I'll talk to you soon.